ॲज अ पार्ट ऑफ GMG आम्ही लोकांनी माई म्हणून एक इनिशिएटिव्ह चालू केलाय. माई स्टँड फॉर महाराष्ट्राज ॲक्सेलरेटर फॉर AI. तर आमचा गोल हा आहे की महाराष्ट्रात AI ला कोपऱ्या कोपऱ्यात पोहोचायचं स्टुडंट्सपर्यंत, आणि स्टुडंट लोकांना शिकवायचं AI, त्यांना शिकवायचं की हाऊ AI अप्लाइज टू इंजिनिअरिंग प्रॉब्लेम्स. And hope is that some of them will become to go on entrepreneurs and actually use AI in Maharashtra. Ultimately, goal is to enable Maharashtra with AI knowledge and hope that Maharashtra leads AI, entire India in terms of AI innovation. The hope is that some of these students will go on and will become some of the prominent AI names in India, right? Or world for that matter. Third, that's why we're starting at the grassroots level. The grassroots level is students. And it will be, so we are a group of about 6, 7, 8 people who are core team here in the Bay Area. And we all have different expertise. So some of them are very hardcore AI people. For example, I'm from the mathematics AI chip side, but we have some people, Atul, who's more on the application side. Some Akash people are experts in the neural network side. And we are trying to build a curriculum for NLP or large language models. So we have conducted one workshop. त्याच्यामध्ये we basically had 90 people attend with very little or zero marketing. And the goal was to teach them how to use RAG, which is a technique that's used to build LLM applications. Well, simple things, but you have to know it. And I was very impressed when that was our pilot. We were just trying to get understanding what kind of people we get, what kind of questions we get, what kind of audience we'll get, how do we do about marketing. But the people that we got were very enthusiastic, very dedicated, and the type of questions we got were very encouraging for us to keep going. Third, in that sense, we are going further on that track now. And the next step is to train the trainer. So we are building a 3-part series in terms of the NLP education, if you will. And त्याच्यामध्ये will be educating the trainers, the professors around the college in Maharashtra, wherever we can. And we'll tell them to use this to invite your students next time, or you train your students, whichever method that works, so that this latest knowledge, which is here in Silicon Valley, goes to you. And we will be helping them out throughout the process. We are all here. If you have any questions, if you need help, we are here. Great. Now, to enable the access to latest technology, we are forging relationship with Amazon Cloud, Google Cloud, and AMD Cloud. So this is something that I don't think people in Maharashtra or even India, for that matter, would be able to get easily. Current will give them access to all the models that are latest and greatest, along with our expertise and the cloud, so they can start experimenting with it. Right? And the long-term vision is to enable everybody to build Marathi or Sanskrit or our heritage, right, around this. So they all start learning languages, then you all start learning about what AI is all about and how models are built and how languages or the knowledge that we have in place can be converted into this database, which can then start learning and predicting new things. Right? Great. But it's a long-term mission. आम्ही एज्युकेशनला सुरुवात केली आहे. Education will lead to engineering, which will lead to entrepreneurship. So engineering is all about solving real-life problems with the knowledge. So that's our step 2. And we are conducting pilot again here in the Silicon Valley, with some of us trying to get a place in either Stanford University via Akash or Hackathons or some other places. And over there, we'll invite anybody who's interested in building a model to come spend entire weekend, take a problem, solve it, spend all weekend there. We're all there. We are all with a different expertise, help them to build that code and then demonstrate what they achieved. And the winner will be given a prize. Great. And this is all they'll have to pay, of course. We cannot afford to have non-serious people there. Right? So that's step 2. And step 3 is that if there is anything that's good coming out of all of this, we'll take them to the next stage and we'll incubate them and we'll help them to build a company out of this.
Perfect. That's a great vision. Great
And
vision.
it just builds one top of each other.
Perfect. That's very nice.